guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am drawing Doraemon. For a long time I was thinking of drawing a very beginner friendly character which literally anyone can draw even with no drawing knowledge at all. So here it is. First I will make the outline using the pencil, starting with a circle shape for the face and then adding details, seeing a reference picture. And as you can see, I'm drawing his eyes, and finally I will draw his nose and his mouth to complete the face, and maybe I'll add a couple of details such as his mustache. Moving on to drawing his body. In the reference picture he's actually wearing a orange colored coat and he's basically sitting down with a watermelon in his hand. So the rest of the outline is pretty basic, and if you're actually drawing along with this video, all you have to do is copy my hand gestures and you will end up with an accurate outline. After completing the outline, now I'm basically covering the whole drawing with a black border with my Faber Castell black sketch pen. Finally, for shading, I'll drop the basic colors first. For Doraemon, it's usually blue-red, and he's wearing a yellow colored hat and an orange coat, and maybe a bit of a green for the watermelon. And after doing that, I will use my black color pencil and my white marker for adding the dark shades and the highlights. video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you again soon.